In this video, I'll show you the two different fuse box locations on your Ford Explorer. So let's get started right away. The first one is in the driver's side footwell right there. You'll have to squat down. Unfortunately, Ford didn't think about that truly. So the fuse box is right under the dash. You see? You're gonna find your fuses, also some relays are located there. You may find that this is a bit too deep inside of the dash, so I'll put links in the description towards some pliers that are made especially for fuses, so you can reach these ones a bit more easily. Anyway, this is the first location. For the second one, we need to pop the hood of this car. And then the other location is on the right side, under the hood. You're gonna open this, and here you go. You're gonna have your relays and fuses, and also a fuse box diagram telling you which fuse is which number, so it's easier to find on your manual which one you have to replace. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.